Okay, so hello everyone. Let me show you another package or packages which I got from Shopee. It's a solar light. One is 10 watts and another is 25 watts. This one is for, I do believe, 1,020 pesos, and this one is for 1,200 pesos. This is 25 watts, this is 10 watts. So let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, and wrapped in a bubble wrap plastic. Okay, that's nice. This is the JD8810. Okay, so it's also on a wrap again with bubble wrap plastic. I believe this is the light, and this is the solar panel. Let's take a look at the solar panel. Okay, it's got a bracket. Nothing else. So that's nice. It came with a, forgot what you call this type of screws. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the cord length. So I'm going to measure the cord length. Okay, so cord length is about 10 feet, and that's about more or less 13 feet. Okay, so the solar panel itself it's got a frame made of, I do believe, aluminum. I do think this is a monocrystalline. So let's read. Solar module, 8 watts, maximum power 8 watts, voltage 6 volts, current ampere at Pmax. I don't know what that means. Okay, so let's take a look at this. It's got some weight to it, actually. It's actually nice. So we've got triple A batteries, 2 pieces. It's also wrapped in a bubble wrap plastic inside. It's actually got some weight to it. Looks pretty solid. Most probably made of aluminum. Bracket is already installed. Okay, JD8810, IP67, 10 watts. Okay. Okay, so we've got a manual here, also a catalog of the different products. Okay, so I believe this is the remote. Okay, this is actually nice, a nice connection. If you look closely, it's a sealed. It's got a rubber seal to make sure that water won't get inside. So let me put some batteries or install the batteries. Okay, so let's do an initial test of how bright this is. Okay, about semi-bright. That's semi-bright. Full bright. So that's, well, that's actually nice. Okay, so now let's take a look at the 25 watt version. It is for 1,200 pesos, inclusive of shipping. Okay, we've got a receipt. Also got a styrofoam padding. Okay, again, side is also again wrapped in a bubble wrap plastic. I believe looks very similar, although slightly bigger. Look at this. Okay, we've got a remote. Also, forgot what to call this. Anyway, also a battery. Here's the light, manual. Okay, let's compare that with the 10 watt. That's the difference. Okay, so this is the 10 watt. I believe that's about 6 inches. So this most probably about 8 inches. Let's take a look at the solar panel. Okay, so I'm going to guess that the cord length is similar to the cord length of this one. So that's about the size difference as well. This is for the 10 watts, this is for the 25 watts. Okay, so let's try the remote of this. Let's see if it would work on this. Oh, actually it does, so you don't need this remote. It works on both, so that's actually nice. Let's turn it off. So anyway, okay, so I'm going to install this, and it's got an auto function. Okay, put it on auto. It will automatically turn on when there's no more sunlight. Okay, as you can see, just turned on, turn off, similar to this. Okay, and you can turn it on and off as you please. Off, turn it on, turn it off. Auto, I do believe 3, 5, 8 hours is it's going to turn on for 3 hours, 5 hours, or 8 hours, something like that. So, but before installing this, let me measure the voltage output. Okay, let's try to measure the voltage output of this smaller solar panel, DC. And it's putting out 6.7 volts. Okay, how about this one? Okay, it's putting out 3.7 volts. That was partially covered. It's putting out 6.6 volts. So interestingly, this smaller one is putting out more voltage than this bigger one. 6.6 volts, 6.7. Well, that's not a significant difference. 6.7, 6.73. This bigger one is 6.65 volts. Well, it's amazing actually for that to put out that kind of voltage, considering that we've got a very low sunlight today. Perfect to work on the roof. Okay, so they provide you with these expansion screws and the nut and the lock washer and the butterfly nut to install the bracket for the solar panel. Okay, let's do the other side. Forgot to put the lock washer on the other side. Okay, so the sun is now slightly out. It's only 9 o'clock. Let's again test for voltage output. Okay, so as you can see, still relatively cloudy. So let's check for voltage output. Okay, so Let's check the bigger one first. Let's see. So it's now putting out a voltage output of 7.03. So that increase, I do believe the maximum voltage output of this is 7.2. So even at very low light, it's already able to put out. This smaller one is giving out an output voltage of 7.12. Okay, so the maximum voltage, I do believe output is 7.2, maybe at a much more intense heat. Maybe, just maybe, it will put out even higher voltage. But the good news is, even at very low light, it's able to put out a considerable output of voltage for a very small solar panels. Okay, so this is my setup. Just install it top of the roof. There's the light over there. So let's wait till night. Okay, so there it is on top of the roof. So let's wait for night time, and let's see if it turns on automatically and how bright it is. Okay, so now it's already 6:05. I'm waiting for it to go completely dark and wait for this thing to turn on automatically. As you can see, the red light, I can only assume that is the charging indicator. So still charging, so let's wait. Okay, so it's now 6:22 and it just turned on automatically on its own. So actually still quite bright. So also the 10-watt light also turned on its own. So let's wait till it gets very dark. Okay, so it's now 8 o'clock, and so this is how bright it is. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, I'm going to turn it on again. Automatic. So that's how bright it is. Turn off again. Remote control. Come on. Okay. Turn on again. Okay, so that's the 25 watts. And this is the 10-watt light. Let me turn it off. Okay, turn on. So that's how bright it is. Actually, it's not very bright. So anyway, that's it. Okay, so it's now 5:30 in the morning. So the sun is almost out, and it's still actually shining very bright. And that's, I would say, about already 11 hours, 11 and 10 minutes now that this thing has been turned on. So it's actually very cloudy, so I'm waiting for this thing to turn off on its own. Okay, so it's exactly 5:37 in the morning, and it has shut off on its own. So I'm going to say that I'm happy with this. Hopefully it will last. For how long, I don't know, but I hope it will last for a long time. So anyway, full disclosure, I do not advertise for this product, nor am I affiliated with any stores online that sells this item. I bought this with my own money. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.